Now, so I can get a rough size, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my drill bits. Start with about 3/16 of an inch. It doesn't fit. Don't know what that size is. That falls through quite happily. What was that? That was 532. So we'll try 1164. 1164 is pretty loose. Right, so that there, now that I've got it on size, that there is actually 3/16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3/16. 3/16. And with my eyes, (3/16) it says. So we need to make a 3/16 inch thick spacer or gib strip. Because I don't work with Imperial as much as what I used to, and it's not a second nature to me. What I'm looking for here, we got out one of our engineer's black books somewhere in here. There we go. Drilling and tapping. Somewhere in here there'll be conversions. Conversions, metric. Let's have a look at 102. Drill size and decimal equivalent chart, that's what we're after. What were we after? 3/16. 3/16 is 0.1875. I'm going to put my pen. My pencil. 0.1875. I think there was a 5 after that. 1875. Yeah, no, that's correct. There's no 5. There is a 5, but the next one numbers are 0, which is 4.763. So, which is 4.763. So, that drill measured 4.71 on the shank. Let's go and grab it again. That's it. So, oops, knocking you over. What we'll do is we'll check this again. So you can see 4.71, I hope. So we'll change it to inches. 1.8, yeah, 1.85. So it's exactly 2 thou under, according to the verniers, which are, according to this, let it So we're minus half it there. Let's re-zero it. $186, so we're $1,500 under, and yeah, $1,500, which is 5/100ths of a millimetre. Yeah, 5/100ths roughly. So yeah, either way, we know that fits. So what we'll want is we'll want to be slightly underneath that size on our gib strip. So what I'll do now is I'll go and find a bit of material that I can make one out of. Just finishing off this gib strip that I made up. I made it out of a piece of 4mm. I started off with a piece of, all I had was square section, piece of SHS, 4mm thick. I could have made it out of something, out of a piece of 1/4 inch and then machine it down, but I would have ended up around about this thick anyway. It wasn't particularly straight after I cut it out of the SHS. And so, but what I did was I just polished the edges with the grinder, with the buff. Put what looks to be a 60° on there with the, just roughly with the flat wheel on the angle grinder. And so now what we'll do is we'll drop this on. Slide that in like that. Yeah, I know I haven't got the thread in there at the moment because what I'm trying to do I can see my gib strip. What I'm wanting to do is I want it level at the end here. I'm going to dimple it. With my round-headed screws. These are 1 5/8 centres. But what I want to do is I want to screw these in. Until they're tight. We'll go for a cheap set of high-speed steel drills. But what we have in this set is we've got number drills. So we're a lot. We should be a bit closer on size. Yeah, I'll go with that. That's 13/64ths. Just put a mark on that. What I'm trying not to do here is damage the thread. That is on 1 5/8 centres. So and these it's 1 5/8. So check how this fits. Right, that seems to be. It's locking in. It's a little bit there, a little bit high there. That's alright, I can work with that. So what we'll do is we shall put that on from on top. What I'm doing now is I'm just feeling for the gib. Can't actually push the gib up and down there. What I'll do is there's going to want a little bit of a helping hand. Okay, so that's right now. And let's put that handle on. Spot. Handle. No doubt I'll hammer again. Okay, let's grab a bit of oil. Let's add a bit of slip in here. Obviously hasn't had some for quite some time. Okay, I'll get a bit of a squirt on these places as well. When you get down a bit further, what I'll do is I'll actually make an adjustment on that, so I want to give so that is fully down.